We welcome in some special guests. We have Angus Pacala with us, CEO, co-founder of Ouster, and also Cecile Schmollgruber is also with us, CEO and co-founder of StereoLabs. I'm so glad you're both with us because this is a big day for Ouster, announcing the acquisition of StereoLabs. So let me start with that. Cecile, your thoughts and why this was a good time for this?
I mean, this is a great opportunity for us to create a world-leading sensing and perception company for physical AI. So this is a very exciting moment for our company.
And we'll, this is the StereoLabs side of this story. And then also, let's hear what your thoughts are, Angus.
Yeah, thanks, Nicole. Thanks for having us. We've obviously had a good market reaction, up almost 10% on the day so far. So Ouster is a world-leading provider of LiDAR solutions to build the eyes of autonomous machines. We've shipped over 150,000 LiDARs to end customers across industrial, automotive, smart infrastructure, and robotics applications to date. And today we're announcing the acquisition of StereoLabs, a French company that's 15 years old, that's shipped 90,000 cameras into end customers, really focused on similar verticals: robotics applications, smart infrastructure, and some exciting new applications emerging in humanoid robotics and other cutting-edge physical AI work. So what makes this acquisition special is that we are the first company now that is combining LiDAR, cameras, AI compute, and AI algorithms, and providing that as a unified perception suite to the thousands of end customers that we now share, and allowing them to bring safe physical AI solutions to their end customers more quickly and more efficiently than ever before.
So LiDAR and cameras together really provide the reliability, Angus, that we need. I mean, there was always talk that Tesla never used LiDAR, but others do. Tell me about some of the uses, how stereo fits in with your plans specifically.
Well, yeah, this is a great debate that's been going on between a Tesla approach of camera only and really the rest of the industry, where an approach of sensor fusion, using the best of many different sensing modalities, is the predominant viewpoint. And we're breaking into this in a big way and saying you do not have to choose between LiDAR and camera. Ouster is going to provide a complete solution that fuses both of those technologies seamlessly together. And we're going to provide the computers, the AI GPU compute. We're going to provide the AI algorithms trained on a combination of LiDAR and camera data. And yes, traditionally it's been difficult to use all of that sensor data and make sense of it easily, but Ouster is going to do the hard work for you, and we're going to make it safe, we're going to make it reliable, and we're going to allow end customers to focus on what they do best. So if you're an end customer building a mining machine or an agricultural robot, we want to supply the AI brains and let you focus on tilling that field more efficiently, or mining ore more efficiently, or delivering a package to your doorstep autonomously and safely. And this is just, this is, again, an industry first to be in a position to provide that unified platform, a one-stop shop to that customer base.
And when we think about StereoLabs, Cecile, tell me more about the high-quality 3D vision, the advanced perception system that you have and provide, the success and demand that you've been seeing. Is there any way to quantify how great this has become, how in demand this has become, and obviously why Ouster wanted to step in and make this purchase for $93 million?
Sure. So we started developing cameras a long time ago. We started 15 years ago. So we always wanted to replicate how human vision works because it's incredible and it's hard to replicate. So we have been working hard on this, and this allowed us to create high resolution, high accuracy, and high quality cameras. And we then developed the software, the perception software. And so this is why our customers are really like our products. And we managed to sell 90,000 Z cameras to over 10,000 customers all around the globe. And I think they appreciate the combination of hardware and software because it's already hard to add perception on top of any machine or robots, and they like to have a system, plug-and-play system, and this is what we're providing at the moment.
You know, I was thinking, thank you for that, Cecile. You know, Angus, I was thinking how we did see that StereoLabs is a high growth, EBITDA positive business, and that could really reinforce the Ouster numbers in the long run, that path to profitability. Was that part of the thought process?
Absolutely. I mean, there are so many reasons to love this deal, and obviously we've been having a good market reaction, but StereoLabs has been really impressive in how efficient they've been building the company. EBITDA positive company, shipped 90,000 sensors to 10,000 end customers in the company's history, with a relatively small team. And so this is accretive to Ouster's path to profitability. You know, Ouster has been on a good run. On our own side, we've had 11 straight quarters of revenue growth. We guided up in Q4 of 2025. And so we think that this is just building on momentum that Ouster has already created in the market. And again, it puts us now in a category of one, a full stack end-to-end sensing and perception solutions company, empowering the next wave of physical AI. So I'm excited for the future for sure.
Yeah, and you know, I think about what went on at CES and the total addressable market, Angus. So tell me more about that. I mean, when we think about full autonomy, or what are some of the things that in real world, real life, that we're going to see? I mean, because as you said, the total addressable market continues to grow. We see incredible things happening at CES. Tell me more about how we're going to be using this in real life and what your thoughts are on the growth process.
Well, CES is a great example of the leading edge of where physical AI and autonomous machines are going. Jensen Huang said it best. He said, everything that moves is becoming robotic. And Ouster is positioned to provide those robotic systems with the safe underpinnings of software and hardware needed to bring physical AI to reality. So some examples, I mean, autonomous farm equipment that can be safer and more efficient and more organic in the way that it farms food. Autonomous last mile delivery, not science fiction anymore. We have a great customer, Serve Robotics, who is delivering tens of thousands of meals in several cities with over 2,000 Serve Robotics autonomously to people's doorsteps. And then humanoid robotics. I mean, you walk around the CES floor and it was just one after another humanoid robot that are going to be working in manufacturing floors and in our homes in the not too distant future. And StereoLabs and Ouster can count a number of those customers across all those use cases currently today. And we expect that we'll be able to capture a significant share of new customers in this space, roughly doubling our TAM actually with this acquisition, because let's face it, every single one of these robots needs an AI computer. It needs a camera, it needs a LiDAR, and it needs the algorithms to go on it. You can't build autonomous machines without that combination, and Ouster is set up to be that company.
Just quickly, Angus, we have to go, but do you plan to raise capital going forward? Because I think about all the CapEx spend to make everything happen in the world of AI. Is that on your agenda maybe in the next year or so, quickly?
Well, we've always been very cash conscious. We're sitting on a strong cash balance, but we use cash strategically. So I think the StereoLabs acquisition was a great example of that. And we definitely want to make sure that we are keeping our options open for the future.
All right, Angus Pacala and Cecile Schmollgruber, thank you both so much. An exciting day for you and your teams. Congratulations, and we'll continue to follow Ouster. Thank you.